Okay guys, so I guess I'm making another video because I'm bored out of my mind right now and I have a while till football, so yeah, let's get into it.
Kept me on the block, baby. What kept me on the block, baby, bitch.
32 shot Glock, baby. What 32 shot Glock, baby.
Okay guys, let's do this. So, I'm gonna run you guys through what I have, like what vehicles I have. All my rest of my trucks aren't here. Parents at work, brothers at work, so my trucks aren't here, except for the Bronco because it don't fetch it around. But all my off-roading cool stuff's here, so yeah, I'll do some startups, walk through what year they are, and yeah. Okay, so first got the freaking Teryx, Kawasaki Teryx. This thing is freaking awesome. I had it for about a year, and my dad just washed it. I'm like literally the only one that drives this because I don't have my license yet, and it's legal around here to drive it without license. So yeah, let's do a quick startup. So I'm pretty sure this thing is a 18 or 19, not sure, but here we go. Okay, let's get into this. So it's not gonna sound too good because it's a side by side and they don't sound good very at all. So. That's about it. Yeah, so doesn't sound very good, but who cares? Okay, now we got the, I think it's an 04. 05, no, it's an 05, I think. 05 Polaris Predator, and this is my brother's. Oh, my dad bought it, but it's my brother's. For him, but I drive a lot, and this thing sounds fetching good, so let's get into it. Stay there. Okay. You might not start up first if you're turning gas on and crap. For some reason, it's kind of sounding weird. My dad hit it with the Teryx yesterday. I don't know why it sounds like that, but I don't know. Okay, now I'll jump into my bike. And this is an 04 YZ125. Got restyle plastics on it. Got my numbers from my last race on it, but yeah, I didn't do that. My brother did that, and I did that though. It's got Pro Circuit pipe on it. Oh yeah, and the Predator's got big gun exhaust on it. And yeah, I need to wash this thing because I'm selling it. And yeah, so let's pull it out and I'll start it up if it'll start. Okay, I had to move my bike because it was up there and I couldn't find a place to video that. This thing might start up. Don't know. I have to start it for a while. It will start up, but it might take a while. So, yeah. yeah, my freaking pepcock is leaking. So, don't see what's wrong with that, but never noticed that. Just have to see. Okay, let's get into my dad's. Let's do my dad's bike and see. I was riding this thing over the 4th of July, and for some reason I fetched and wrecked, and yeah, broke my wrist. These things are really cold-blooded, so. Frick. So that is that bike. Forgot to tell you, it's a 2018 gas, freaking XC300. Yeah, it's a good bike. It's a little dirty, but I think sweet. It's an enduro, so that's why it's so quiet. Well, yeah, I like this bike. It's fun. I'm probably not gonna end this video off right now. Probably gonna wait and see if the boys can hang out. But yeah, I might go on a ride with the Terrix. Probably take you guys with us. And yeah, I'll see if they want to hang out. I don't have a couple hours till football. So yeah, we'll see. And yeah, I'll let you guys know. Boys are here.
Bro, really? Just sent me this picture?
What is it?
Bro, did I already show you this?
We be going on road trip, boys.
You did?
What?
No, the Utah Lake one where you're like,
Hey, let me park this.
oh, hey!
Shoot! What? Get in the Jeep, leave him. Hurry up, Mason! Freaking get in there! Why didn't you just leave it there? What? Why didn't you just leave it there? We gotta go. Hurry up. Okay guys, so I guess that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I had to go to football and I would have videoed more, but I had to go to football and I had to go. So yeah, we got deer hunting coming up. I'll be videoing. I'll try to video that, and yeah, we got some cool tags coming up. So I'll see if I can video that, and yeah, we'll see. So it'll be fun, and that's it. See you on the next one.